from Jammu region.
Please tell me about yourself.
Uh, I am Rohit. I am from Jammu. I worked with Bajaj
आप हिंदी
Finserv
में
Health as
आप
a.
हिंदी में बोलिए। आपको अंग्रेजी अच्छा नहीं आएगा तो कोई बात नहीं, आप हिंदी में बोल दो।
Okay, sir.
You are struggling,
So
I
actually,
understand. I can see it very well. You are not able to communicate well in English. Please talk in
okay,
Hindi.
okay, sir. सर मैंने एमबीए कर रखी है सर यूनिवर्सिटी बिजनेस स्कूल से, और मैंने ग्रेजुएशन कर रखी है दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी रामजस कॉलेज से। और सर मेरा 14 मंथ्स का वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है बजाज फिंसर्व हेल्थ के साथ एज ए प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर।
कहाँ पर काम किया आपने?
बजाज फिंसर्व हेल्थ
As what?
प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर।
क्या नेचर ऑफ वर्क क्या था आपका?
सर क्रिएटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स, लाइक क्रिएटिंग फीचर्स, सब फीचर बिल्ड करना, डे टू डे मीटिंग अटेंड करना, अलग अलग टीम के साथ साथ कोलैबोरेट करना, सब टेम्पलेट्स बनवाना। सो इस तरह के काम थे सर मेरे कुछ।
What are their products?
सर बेसिकली कंपनी के कुछ मेन प्रोडक्ट्स थे, वो बंडल प्रोडक्ट ऑफर करते थे बजाज एलियंस और बजाज जनरल इंश्योरेंस के साथ, लाइक सम कॉम्बो प्रोडक्ट्स like health riders and some OPD benefits, IPD benefits, and step it up kind of features.
Is it like Amway company?
No, sir, no, it is not like MB company. So it
अच्छा
is
ठीक है।
totally healthcare company. Actually, it is a kind of startup company. It was started in 2020, so it is just emerging. So
How long you
company
work
doesn't
for
need a
30,
lot of
you work for 13 months.
14 months.
Okay. Why did you resign?
So actually, my interest was not totally inclined towards healthcare sector. Actually, I was interested in banking sector due to some economic condition during COVID. So our college told us that you should go for the interview, and it doesn't matter which company is coming. Your first purpose should be to get placed. So that's why I targeted Bajaj Finserv. So actually, first I thought I would. Join another company like Bajaj Finance or Finserv. So later on, I thought it would not be great to join another company. So that's why.
या या आपने आपका एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन के बारे में ठीक से बताओ।
सर मैंने ग्रेजुएशन कर रखी है सर, बी बीकॉम कर रखी है सर दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी रामजस कॉलेज से। उसके बाद मैंने एमबीए करी मेजर इन फाइनेंस एंड माइनर इन मार्केटिंग यूनिवर्सिटी बिजनेस स्कूल पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी।
Good. Do you have your certificate clearly mentioning finance as your subject?
यस सर आई हैव।
Very good. तब तो बढ़िया है। Good. Now, please tell me what are the sources of income for a bank?
So there are a lot of income sources for the bank. First is para banking, where bank assurance came into existence, like mutual funds came, and some wealth management services. And so there are major source of income, like accepting deposit and offering loan to the customer, and charging, net interest margin, on whatever rate they are offering, and uh, other sources of income like investments. So these are some of the sources of income for
What
the
is
bank.
your father?
Uh, so actually, my father has a business. So right now, actually, they have shut down that business basically due to huge competition and low margin.
क्या
So we
बिजनेस
have
करते थे? क्या बिक्री करते थे?
electronic products like refrigerator, televisions. So
Electronic products like?
television and refrigerators.
ओ अच्छा 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 ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। That's right. Good. Now, बिजनेस में सक्सेस होने के लिए क्या क्या क्वालिटीज चाहिए?
So for success, I think leadership quality is the foremost important thing for any business to survive or generate consistent profit. So another thing is a proper strategy and planning, and to review that target you have fixed and monitor the divergence. So what kind of divergence you are facing, and work upon the issues. And I think these are some of the things which you should consider. And I think sufficient working capital or working capital and the proper channelizing of the fund is important to be successful in any kind of business.
Yeah. आपको क्रेडिट ऑफिसर का रोल क्या है?
So the role of credit officer is to assess the file of the borrower. Uh, so there are a lot of things which a credit officer will check before offering any loan to the borrower. So first is the character of the borrower, second is the capacity of the borrower, and third is the collateral, and fourth is the capital, and fifth is the condition. So these are the basic things which credit officer look before offering any loan to the borrower.
Okay. Now, can you tell me something about what are the factors you will be looking into while processing a MSME proposal?
Okay. So I think financial statement analysis is the foremost important thing for me. So I think comparative analysis can be done to gauge the consistency of the business. If the business is performing well year on year, so I would consider that company to offer loan. So that is the first thing, and another thing is the utilization of the fund. So whether the company is utilizing fund according to the purpose which the company has mentioned, or for which the company has provided the reason. So what and the third thing would be like uh, if company is doing business with the major partners, like, so I would like to check the concentration level of the business. Like, major business should not be come from a like a major client. Like, so there is a company and it is getting major contribution from two or three partners, and so this is a kind of concentration risk. So these kind of things I should consider before lending any loan.
Yeah, please tell me what do you know about priority sector advances?
So priority sector advances. So basically, RBI has mentioned for direct few banks that you will have to lend certain amount of loan to the priority sector lending priority sectors, like education, renewable energies, agriculture sectors, and solar. Uh, for rural economy. So these kind of so these are the sector which RBI had directed banks to lend these sectors.
Now, why should we give preference to you?
So I have a strong command over financial of a company. I know how to analyze a company, and I love to do analysis every day. I analyze a particular company, and I have a strong command over numbers, and I know properly how to analyze cash flow statements, financial statements like a profit and loss statement. I love to do comparative analysis of the company. So I think I am a perfect candidate for this role. So I have a keen interest in this sector, and the banking sector is my, it is the only sector where I have a lot of interest, and
What
I
is
track this sector
what
closely.
is your CIBIL score?
So actually, I haven't checked ever my civil score.
What is the meaning of CIBIL score -1?
Meaning of -1, so I don't know. I haven't
The
checked ever.
the idea is this man has not availed any loan, so इसलिए उनका पहले record कुछ नहीं है. So it is not a
Okay.
negative thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Explain about KCC.
KCC is a Kisan Credit Card loan basically. So the duration of loan is 5 years, and government provides some subvention of, if you avail KCC loan. So main purpose of KCC loan is to fund pre and post harvesting which farmer does. So it basically launched in 2000. So that's it.
Mhm. You are from which state?
I'm
Jammu.
from
Jammu.
not Jammu. I'm from Samba.
Yeah.
Samba
Now,
district.
who is the governor of Jammu and Kashmir?
Manoj
Ex-
Sinha.
Executive Lieutenant General.
Yes, Manoj Sinha.
Acha. Good. Excellent. Now, did you cast your vote in the recent elections?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Now, let me go for some more questions for you. What do you understand by tangible net worth of a company?
Tangible net worth of a company basically exclude the intangible things like goodwill of the company.
Pardon?
So basically, tangible assets of the company basically exclude the intangible assets of the company, like goodwill of the company, patents, and all.
Can you tell me with some example? What is tangible net worth?
So tangible net worth basically includes uh, tangible.
Total
I
net worth
think.
assets minus intangible net worth.
Okay.
Okay. Now, last
Okay.
question. Please explain to me about SMA1.
SME1. So basically, it comes under like from 30 days to 60 days.
ऐसा में भी आधा आंसर देने से कैसे मार्क मिलेगा? Huh?
Oh, okay.
You have to
So
explain that SMA is a concept known as special mention account. This is in respect of loans installments not repaid on time, where a loan installment or interest is outstanding for 1 to 30 days, it is known as SMA 0. And when it is from 31 to 60, it is known as SMA 1. ऐसा मपी क्लियरली इंटरेस्ट लेके बात करना है. बिना
go,
इंटरेस्ट आप बात करने से तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा.
go to sir.
Do you understand what I say?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I will give you one more question to see how you are answering. Can you tell me what are the different retail loan products of Punjab National Bank?
Uh, so, so there are a lot of products are being offering by Punjab National Bank. So first one is the housing loan, second is the education loan, and third is motor vehicle loan, and fourth is the gold loan, and fifth is ECGC. So these are some of the loans uh, that are being offered by the Punjab National Bank.
What is that ACGC?
The export credit guarantee.
Acha. No, no, but you say ECGC mat bolna. ECGC is a
Okay.
separate organization. आपने बोलना है export loans.
Okay, export.
Very good. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you,
थोड़ा
sir.
थोड़ा you are coming